And then we drop down to the quarter and the same thing, and we zoom right in. Ideally, when we get to the quarter, we are tactical. We're zoomed in. These are the 2 or 3 things that matter. So I was just this morning on with some basic co-CEOs of a private equity firm that I work with. And we were just talking about the goals for the quarter. We know the longer term, but for the quarter, we're saying, hey, I know we got a list. They said we've got 7 or 8 things. I said, okay, if there's 1 or 2 or 3 that must happen, what are those things? And then the rest are nice. We almost label them like bonus or, time allowing or resources allowing. But we got down to the 2 or 3 things and got deep focused. And that's hard because so much comes up and we get distracted. And even for CEOs and executives, it's hard. As you get farther down the line, there's so many things pulling at you. It's really hard to maintain focus. And that's a lot of what this framework does. It helps people to maintain focus on the highest value, highest impact things that aren't the funnest, that aren't the sexiest, that may or not even be something that they enjoy doing, but it's going to make a difference. So we drive our discipline and our resources to the stuff that matters. And then there's room for the other stuff as well, but really focusing the core.